let's talk about stock research. Basically, here's how you make your money in terms of stock research. You have to either use a top-down approach or a bottom-up approach. The top-down guys, they've been wrong, they've been long, and they've been wrong. I mean, they've just been completely wiped out. These are the guys that told you last year that the Dow Jones would, that the S&P 500 would earn $90 per common share. They held on to that number right through into January of this year. Now all of a sudden they're coming down and say, you know, S&P 500 is going to earn $50 a share. So what does it mean? As far as I'm concerned, the S&P 500 has to sell at 12 times trough earnings of $50 per share. The S&P 500 should be at 600 approximately. It's not there. It's got a way to go on the downside. But that's stock research. That's how you really do it. The other way you got to do is you got to get into the companies. Now, I don't mean just read about them. I mean go visit. You know, if you want to get into retail stocks, well, you go visit these. You go to the malls. You ask people, how's this stuff selling? Is it selling at all? Are people buying? Are they doing layoffs? Is the parking lot full or empty? That's how you do stock research. If you want to know more on this, we have hundreds of tutorials on how to make money in the stock market. Just come visit the website. I'll be there, and I'll see you there. Have a great day.